Assalamu alaikum. Welcome guys, welcome to the lesson number 13 of grade 1 mathematics. Today we are going to start page number 25. In the last class we completed page number 24 and that was about the missing numbers on the truck by counting backwards. What we have to do here, I'm going to read the question for you. Look at this number track. This is a number track given to you here. Okay, we have to look here and then we have to use it to help you fill in the blanks by one more, one less, two more, or two less. Class, for more or less concept, you should be familiar with the greater or smaller, right? So if you remember on page number 23, there is a number track and we studied that which number is greater, 82 or 77. So we studied that those numbers who come before 77, they are actually smaller than 77, and those numbers who come after 77, they are actually greater than 77. So in the number track, if any number comes after a particular number, like 78 is coming after 77, this means that number is greater, 78 is greater than 77. And if on a number track, if any number is coming before that number, like if 75, I will ask you, is greater than 77 or not, because 75 is coming before 77, so you will say 75 is smaller than 77. So in that way you have to check whether a number is greater than or a less than. How you will check? Let's suppose 77 is a benchmark. I ask you 77 is greater than or 72 is greater than. So you will see that 72 comes before 77, so you will say that 72 is smaller than 77. If I ask you 80 is smaller than 77 or greater, so you will say, sir, 80 is greater than 77 because it comes after 77 in the number track. Now let's move to the page number 25. Here we have number track from 21 to 30 and we have to write, we have to fill these blanks, right? So here the question is asking 25 is dash than 26. So I need to check first that whether 25 is greater or 26 is greater. So I will check here in the number track. 25, this is 25, okay? And where is 26? This is 26. So I need to check 25 is greater than 26 or smaller than 26. So you can easily see that 25 comes before 26. Before 26, that means 25 is smaller than 26. 25 is smaller than 26. If you count from here, 1 is smaller, that means it is less than. How much number less than? Only 1. So I can say 25 is 1 less, first I need to raise it, then I will write it. 25 is 1 less L E S and S. 25 is 1 less than 26. Why? Because 25 comes before 26. Where is my cursor? Look here. Okay, 25 is 1 less than 26. Now if we talk about the B, that is the B, right? 30 is dash than 28. 30 is dash than 28. So I need to check either 30 is greater or 28 is greater. 30 is greater than 28 or smaller than 28. So I will see here, this is then 30, I will find 28 here. So this is 28, right? That means 30 is greater than 28. If I check from 30, because 28 comes before 30, or you can say 28 is smaller than 30, right? If you see the number track, this is the number track, and you know that if the number comes, if 28 comes before 30, that's mean 28 is smaller than 30. 28 is smaller than 30, or 30 is greater than here 28. So I can say 30 is greater than 28. We know that 30 is greater than 28. How many numbers should I add in 28 to make 30? What number should I add in 88 to get 30? If I count from here, 1 and 2. That means 30 is 2 more than 28. 30 is 2 more than 28. So you will write 30 is 2 more than 28, right? Because 28 is smaller than 30, but 30 is greater than 28. That's why you will write more. The first number you will say either greater or less. Like here, you see 25 was less than, smaller than 26, so you said smaller. But here you see 30 is greater than, that's why you will write more. 30 is greater than 28, that's why you will say 30 is 2 more than 28. How much greater? Only 2, so write 2. This is how much less? 1 less, that's why you write only 25. Same here, if I ask you, what is 2 more than 24? By using the number track, tell me what is 2 more than 24. So I will check here, this is 24. For 2 more, I will go forward, 1 and 2. So the answer is 26. So I will say here that 26 is 2 more than 24, right? Same, if a question is asked you what is 2 less than 27, again I will go to the number track and I will check here 27. I need to check less, so I will go back. 2 less, 1 and 2. So this is 25. So I can say 25 is 2 less than 27. 25 is 2 less than 27. Or if I write here question number 3, what is 1 more than 29? So again I will go to the number track here and I will check what is 1 more than 29. 20 more than, that's mean I need to check forward here. So 30. What 1 more than 29 is 30. So I will write here 30 is 1 more than 29. Okay, if I ask you same questions in a different way, right? Like it is what is more than 2 more than 24? So you say 26 is 2 more than 24. Or if I ask you what is 2 less than, what is 1 less than now? Let's suppose if I ask you question number 4, what is 1 less than 24? So again I will go to the number track and I will check here 24. Because I need to check less than, that means I need to go back for the smaller number, that is 23. One time back because 1 less than. So 23 is the right answer. 23 is 1 less than 24, right? 23 is 1 less than 24. Or I can write this all in this way also. If I write 24 is 1 more than which number? 24 is 1 more than, or if I write 24 is dash than 23. Now tell me 24 is dash than 23. Less than, more than, 1 less than, 1 more than, 2 less than, 2 more than. So again you will see here 24 is greater number. This is the just opposite of this statement. 24 is the bigger number, the greater number. So 24 is the greater number and 23 is smaller number. So 24, you see that if you go back side, so you will find 23. So what was the question here? This is the cursor. Wait for a while. Alright. Yes, 24 is less than. First you need to decide 24 is greater or 23 is greater. So 24 is greater, you know, right? That means 24 is greater than. For greater you always use more. For greater you always use more. 24 is more than 23. We know that 24 is more than 23. How much number? What the number? How much number should I add in 23 in order to get 24? So it's only 1. Right? Same for this. If I write like 25 is dash then 27. This I'm writing this statement in a different way. I messed up this, right? So I need to check whether 25 is greater or 27 is greater. 27 is greater, so 25 is smaller than. For smaller I always use less than. How much is smaller? 25 is than 27. So if you check from the number track, you need to go 2 times back for 25. So that means it is 2 less. It is 2 less. 25 is 2 less than 27. I hope it is clear to you, and we will do some more practice on these questions. Inshallah, I'll meet you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.